Muscles are the engine of the human body, driving every movement we make. They allow us to move, lift, and perform a wide range of physical tasks, from the simplest to the most complex. The human body has over 600 muscles, each playing a unique role. These muscles comprise a significant portion of our body weight, around 1/3 to 1/2, depending on various factors. Muscles are made up of bundles of fibers that contract and relax to produce movement, enabling us to perform daily activities. These fibers are held together by connective tissue, which provides structure and support. Muscles work in coordination with tendons to connect to bones, creating a powerful system. This connection is what allows muscles to generate force and create movement, essential for all physical activities. Muscles play a vital role in maintaining posture and stability, keeping us upright and balanced. They also contribute to regulating body temperature, an often overlooked but crucial function. When muscles contract, they generate heat, which helps to keep the body warm, especially in colder environments. Muscle activation is a complex process that begins in the brain. When we decide to move, the brain sends an electrical signal down the spinal cord. This signal carries the instructions for movement. The signal travels through motor neurons, which are specialized nerve cells. Motor neurons connect to muscle fibers at specialized junctions called neuromuscular junctions. At the neuromuscular junction, the electrical signal is converted into a chemical signal. This chemical signal, called acetylcholine, binds to receptors on the muscle fiber. The binding of acetylcholine triggers a series of events that ultimately lead to muscle contraction. Muscles are highly adaptable tissues. They respond to increased demand by becoming stronger and larger. When we challenge our muscles with resistance exercise, such as weightlifting, we create microscopic tears in the muscle fibers. This damage signals the body to repair and rebuild the muscles stronger than before. The process of muscle adaptation involves several key steps. First, the body activates satellite cells, which are stem cells that reside in muscle tissue. Satellite cells are responsible for muscle growth and repair. These cells multiply and fuse to existing muscle fibers, donating their nuclei and increasing the muscle fiber's protein content. The increased protein synthesis leads to muscle growth, also known as hypertrophy. Section 4. Damage and growth. The path to stronger muscles. Muscle damage is an essential part of the muscle growth process. Without it, our muscles wouldn't have the stimulus they need to grow stronger and larger. When we lift weights or engage in other forms of resistance training, we create tiny tears in our muscle fibers. These micro tears are a natural and necessary part of building muscle. This damage is a natural part of the muscle growth process. It signals the body to start the repair process, which ultimately leads to stronger muscles. It is during the recovery period after exercise that the real magic happens. Rest and proper nutrition are crucial during this phase. The body responds to muscle damage by initiating an inflammatory response. This is the body's way of starting the healing process. This response helps to remove damaged tissue and prepare the muscles for repair. Techniques like foam rolling and massage can aid in this process. The inflammatory process also releases growth factors, which stimulate muscle protein synthesis. These growth factors are essential for muscle recovery and growth. Muscle protein synthesis is the process by which the body uses amino acids to build new muscle proteins. Consuming protein-rich foods can support this process. This process is essential for muscle growth and repair. By understanding and supporting these mechanisms, we can optimize our fitness routines and achieve better results. Section 5. The muscle growth cycle. A continuous loop. Muscle growth is a continuous cycle of stress, damage, repair, and growth. This cycle is fundamental to building strength and achieving fitness goals. When we consistently challenge our muscles with resistance training, we create a stimulus for growth. This stimulus is what drives our muscles to adapt and become stronger over time. The body responds to this stimulus by repairing the damaged muscle tissue and making it stronger. This repair process is crucial for muscle development and overall fitness. However, if we do not continue to challenge our muscles, they will eventually adapt to the current level of stress and stop growing. This plateau can hinder progress and make it difficult to achieve further gains. This is why it is essential to progressively overload our muscles by gradually increasing the weight, resistance, or intensity of our workouts. Progressive overload ensures that our muscles are constantly being challenged. Optimal muscle growth requires more than just exercise. Nutrition plays a vital role in supporting muscle development and recovery. Adequate protein intake is crucial for providing the building blocks for new muscle tissue. Consuming enough protein helps repair and build muscles after intense workouts. Rest, especially sleep, is essential for allowing the body to repair and rebuild muscle tissue. Without proper rest, the body cannot fully recover, which can impede muscle growth and overall performance.